So today I'm going to show you all about the new quizzes. New quizzes is going to be the only thing available as of June 2021. So we have the next 2 semesters to migrate all of our current quizzes over to the new quizzes. This is not something that we chose. This is the way that Canvas is creating their new feature. So first I'm going to show you what the new quiz looks like in comparison to the old quiz. You can see right now I'm in the quizzes link in the left navigation, and there is a new quiz here, which you can tell because it's a filled in rocket ship, and a legacy or classic quiz below it is the empty rocket ship. So let's look at the difference in just how they look. This is a new quiz, and it looks quite a bit different. It's very new looking. And this, of course, is the legacy or classic quiz. You can see that this is very familiar to you, but from the outside it looks the same except for that rocket ship. Now, if you are adding a new quiz to a module, when you look on the list, there's not going to be any kind of designation of which it is, whether it's a new quiz or an old quiz. So in that case, I'm going to show you real quick. If you add a new quiz here, rather than go to quizzes, it's not going to show up here on your quizzes list. It's going to show up on the assignment list. Now you notice here I have named this with NQ at the end, and that's so I can designate it as a new quiz. I can go back once the course is cleaned up and change that name, but for organization purposes, I think it's a good idea when you're creating new quizzes to always label them so that you know what they are. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to show you is how to identify the different types of legacy quizzes that need migrated, because according to the type of quiz it is how you're going to migrate it. There's the really easy type to migrate, and there's the really difficult type. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to migrate quizzes.